Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will reveal how much YouTube paid me for a 100,000 view. Okay, but before we get into the details, please kindly click on that like button so that this video can get to as many people out there as possible. I believe it's gonna motivate a lot of people out there, even those who are not yet content creators. This will definitely motivate them to come on board. Please kindly click on that like button, like the video, and then let's dive into the details. Okay, I will start with the reach here. As you can see, we have an impressions of 880k. So meaning that YouTube already has shown this video to almost 900,000 people. Okay. And the impression click-through is 6.9. And this video generated over 100,000 views, as you can see here. And let's see the engagement here. It has generated 7.6k watch time hours, with an average duration of 4.31. Okay, and let's have a look at the audience. From the audience, I think we can see that majority of people that viewed this video are from the United States, then South Africa, then Nigeria, India, Canada, as you can see. Okay, now is the time to show you how much I got paid. But before then, I would like you to make a guess before I reveal this. Write it down. How much do you think YouTube paid me? Okay, here we go. Do I start from the revenue? Yes, let me start from the revenue. So, this video was uploaded on the 18th of October 2021. And since then, it has generated over 100,000 views. And I got paid £602.37, as you can see. Okay, let's have a look at the overview. From the overview, I got 826 subscribers from this video as well, and that is it. So please kindly like the video, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, so that is it for this video. Be motivated, keep on uploading videos, be consistent. It only takes a video to take you there. Good luck, remain blessed, and God bless you.